Let me show you two different ways how to start playing a song and also how to pause a song on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. So if you want to quickly pause or resume and sing, you simply squeeze this area of your earphone. So you see this lower part like this. So you see, for example, if I squeeze mine, it will, for example, start playing. If I squeeze it again, it will stop. So pause it. So again, this part of the earphone, the side. So you simply squeeze it with some pressure. So again, you do not touch it, but squeeze it like this to control the play or pause. And then also we can actually control this using voice as well. So for example, if you go in your settings, so you see once you open the settings of these earphones over here, you have these voice controls that you can enable. So make sure this is enabled here. So for example, you can say play music, stop music, next song or previous song. So simply learn this, okay? And then again, for example, I will wear it. I'll put it in my ear, for example. Again, let's go. And I can simply ask it, play song. Sorry, it was play music, stop music, play music, stop music. So very easy. Okay, good luck.